Okay, good day mga brad. Okay, another add-on doon sa update with regards dun sa S9 and doon sa iba pang mga trifolds, no? Okay, with regards dun sa advantages lang ni Ace of X, si Ace of X na C5, no? Ang advantage na lang is light lang siya. At 7.5 kilos. Yun na lang yun. Wala nang iba, no? No more advantage, yun na. That's the only advantage. I still prefer the S9. Okay, so the S9 has a much wider gear range stock because it's 1132 and 53 by 1152. 53 na chain ring by 11 and 32 na cogs. Whereas the stock Ace of X has only 50 chain ring and 1119 5 speed. So for you to and it's only upgradable to up to 7 speed, which is 1128. Still it has a very short very narrow gear range, even if it was upgraded to 7 speed, which is an 11 to 28 max. Here I think I can manage to upgrade this to an 1136, which makes the range wider, and by adding dual chain rings up front, I can make it even wider, much comparable to a 12 speed Brompton stock. Well, anyway, the reason why I have this update again is I tried torquing the bolt for the stem, and it sheared out on me. Okay, so now it concludes that those bolts decorative lang yan. So those bolts are decorative. They should not be tightened too much because the bolt itself will shear off. Well, nothing to worry for our friend Mitya, because as you can see, I can still get the bolt out. It's still yeah, see that? I can still take it out, so nothing to worry about that. So if you have the S9 or any similar alloy frame trifold with this bolt, don't tighten it, it will shear off. So I'll just replace it with I think this kind of bolt, which I bought from a hardware store. This is meant for license plates, and I can tighten this at a very much higher torque setting than this one. So that's it. Yun lang po. Thank you for watching.